Modak is a sweet recipe that is offered to Lord Ganesha usually at the time of Ganesh Chaturthi. Hello friends, in this video I am going to share with you 3 flavors of Modak that you can prepare easily at home using one base and that you can prepare with very few ingredients. But before we start the recipe, if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing the channel and press the bell icon to get the further notification of the new videos every week. To prepare the recipe, first I am going to add half cup of cold milk into the pan. Make sure not to put it onto the gas stove. Add 1 cup of milk powder. I am using Nido brand milk powder, but you can use any brand of your choice. Give it a quick mix. As you are mixing it, you will notice it has some lumps. So don't worry, when we are cooking it, these will melt. Add 1 tablespoon of clarified butter or ghee, as all we know that the milk powder don't have the fat content. Add 1/4 cup of sugar and give it a quick mix. It helps to cook the process faster. Now after mixing it, take this pan onto the gas stove. The heat is on low flame all the time. Keep on mixing. After few seconds, you will notice the sugar dissolved and it is little thin. Now keep on mixing on low flame, and within 1.5 minutes you will notice it starts getting thick, and once you have reached at this consistency, switch off the gas and keep on mixing because the pan is still hot. Now remove 2/3 portion from this mixture into the separate plate and set this aside. Spread it evenly so that it will cool down quickly. Now here I have already soaked few threads of saffron into the milk and add pinch of food color and add this into the remaining mixture. And as you are mixing it, you will notice it is little thin, but you have to keep on mixing because the pan is hot, and this is the perfect consistency. Remove it into the plate and let it cool down completely. If you are in hurry, put that for 10 minutes into the refrigerator and cool down. It's been 10 minutes, the mixture is cooled down. Now knead this mixture to get the smooth dough. This is ready. Now from this plain mixture, divide it into 2 equal portions. Now I am using red food color. We are going to use only pinch of red food color, rose essence to give a rose flavor, 1 drop only, and now mix it. And this is the first flavor ready. You can add any flavor of your choice. Now green food color, pinch of green food color, and I am going to give the pan flavor into this. Mix it and the second flavor is ready. And now to make the modak, I am using this modak mold. I will share the link in the description box. You will check that out. Now first grease the modak mold using ghee or oil. Take small portion from the mixture, roll it in between your hand, and now take this modak mold, close it, and now fill it as I am doing here. Press it with your finger very gently, and if needed add more mixture. Press it, and now after filling, carefully open it up and you will get this perfect shape of modak. And if you want to know how you can prepare the modak without using mold, I will share the link in the description box. You will check that out. So similar way I have prepared all the flavors of modak, and as you are making the different flavors of modak, then clean it up in between. Now I have 2 colors left. So first I am going to add the green color into the mold, and I am going to press it inside the mold. And as you are seeing here, now I am going to use the second flavor. This is the Kesar flavor. I am going to add this mixture into this, and whatever the excess is there, remove the excess. And now open it up, and that way you can get the 2 color modak. Isn't it look so delicious and flavorful? Pan and kesar flavor. So that way you can make different types of mix and match flavor of modak, and this is very easy to make. You can check out the other recipes of the modak on my channel. Hope you like this easy recipe of 3 flavors of modak using one base. If you do so, then let me know in the comment section below how you find this recipe helpful in this festive season, and if you have prepared any of these recipes, please share the picture on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And if you like this recipe, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you and stay tuned for the next recipe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.